What's up, you guys? Your girl Chef K. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making these homemade toaster strudels with strawberries and cream cheese in the middle, and it's going to be so good. These are super easy to make. You have to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you... What should you do? You should subscribe. And you should comment on the video. And you should share with a friend. So first you want to go ahead and add in your chopped strawberries, your sugar, and your water, and cook that on medium-low heat for about 7 to 10 minutes until it starts to thicken up and look something like this. So then we're going to set that aside and let that cool off completely. And then I'm just going to roll out my puff pastry dough. So you can get this in the refrigerator section or the freezer section, preferably the refrigerator section. And for this half, I'm going to try to get about 4 pieces out of them. So that will be 2 toaster strudels. So now I'm just going to pipe some softened cream cheese onto our toaster strudel, about a tablespoon, and then go ahead and spread that out. And then we're going to go in with a tablespoon of our strawberry filling. You can add a little bit more if you want to, like a little bit more than a tablespoon, but don't get too crazy because this will leak out on the sides. We're going to go ahead and put the other puff pastry dough on top of that, cut it on the side so that it's even, brush it with egg wash, and then bake it in the oven on 350 for about 20 to 25 minutes. And now for the icing, we're just going to go ahead and take some softened cream cheese, vanilla extract, powdered sugar, and heavy cream and whip that together until it gets to this consistency. And then put it into just like a Ziploc bag and then cut the tip off so that you can easily put the icing on the toaster strudel once it comes out the oven. And this is what the toaster strudel will look like once it comes out the oven. Obviously, we're not stuck with that little packet, the icing packet that comes in the box, so you can go crazy on the icing part if you want to. I purposely made enough icing so that I can go crazy. And this is what the filling looks like. Mad good. Like, come on. Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and comment, and actually try the recipe, you know? That would be a good idea. Don't just save it for later. Like, actually try it. Because I'm saying this because I'm guilty of it too. So many videos saved on Instagram and TikTok, like cooking videos. I'm like, oh yeah, I want to make this recipe. I want to make that. Still haven't made it. I have recipes saved from like 3 years ago. Still haven't made it. But yeah, actually save this video and make the recipe. It's mad easy. Like, this is probably one of the easiest videos that I've ever put out. So I know you can do it. It's way too easy for you to feel like you can't do it. You can do it. Try the recipe.